So you want to accelerate your consulting career and one day advance to the level of consulting partner? Rising to the level of partner in a consulting profession is challenging and highly competitive. Becoming a consulting partner typically requires years of experience, proven performance, mastery of technical, leadership, and business development skills. In this video, I'm going to share with you some inside consulting secrets to becoming a consulting partner. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video on accelerating your consulting career. What I'm about to share with you are the same techniques I've used my entire 35-year consulting career. These are the secrets to my becoming a successful consulting partner. And trust me, when I put these secrets into action, my career shot off like a rocket, and the same thing is going to happen for you. Let's get into it. Number one, develop a unique niche of expertise. Now, why does this matter? Consulting firms value specialists who can solve problems, high-impact problems. Consulting partners are often seen as thought leaders in their specific domain. Now, how do you achieve this? Well, throughout your consulting career, you need to be investing in developing deep expertise in a niche area that aligns with market demands and your firm's strategic goals. This might be in a specific industry, maybe healthcare or energy or manufacturing, consumer packaged goods, retail, life sciences, or any number of other industries or segments. Or it could be in a business functional area, maybe supply chain, sales and marketing, plant operations, HR, or like in my case, learning and development. Being the go-to person in a niche will differentiate you and make you indispensable. If this is speaking to you, hit that like button right now and comment below and share what your consulting niche is. Number two, build and leverage a strong network of relationships. Now, why does this matter? Consulting is a people-driven business. The path to partnership isn't just about domain skills. It's about trust, influence, and relationships, both internally to the firm and externally. Now, how do you achieve this? Cultivate relationships with clients, potential clients, and senior firm leaders. This includes networking within the firm and maintaining a visible presence in industry circles. Having a solid network allows you to bring in new business, manage key client relationships, and advocate for your firm within your industry. If this is speaking to you, hit that like button if you've not done so already, and type the phrase networking equals consulting partner in the comments below. That'll help me extend the reach of this video. Number three, master the art of business development and sales. Now, why does this matter? Well, ultimately, consulting firms are businesses, and business development is critical for business growth. To make it to the partnership level, you must show that you're not only skilled at delivering project results, but you're also skilled at bringing in clients and generating revenue. So how do you achieve this? Develop a systematic approach to identifying opportunities, pitching services, and closing deals. Learn how to build and manage client relationships. Position the firm for repeat business and expand accounts. Business development skills can be honed over time, but they must be actively cultivated by everyone seeking partnership. If this is speaking to you, hit that like button right now if you've not done so, and type the phrase ABC, always be selling, in the comments below to improve the reach of this video. If you're struggling with your IT and business consulting career, I would love to help. Hit the link in the description below and download my Consulting Career Accelerator app, and let's get started accelerating your consulting career today. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button. And be sure to check out this next video titled Networking for Introverts 101 from a Consulting Partner. You can find the link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.